Hey, BuzzFeed, Ian here. Now today we're going to talk about books. Now what are books exactly? Well, they're top 10 words in high school books I have no idea what means. Proconsul. 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 Okay, the Google definition is a person who is very good at being a consul, or a person who supports a consul or a group of consuls. Great! I guess look up the definition for consul. Okay. An official appointed by a government to live in a foreign city and protect and promote the government's citizens and interests there. Basically an ambassador. Number 9. Comportment. This kind of sounds like a kindergarten misspell of compartment. Probably the exact same thing. It means the way you act or behave. Just behavior. Why do people use such confusing words that mean a simple word? Ah! Number 8. Coercion. It sounds pretty familiar, yet after you see what it means, you realize you've never heard it before. You made the inevitable mistake of reading this book. Back to the point. The word means the practice of persuading someone to do something by force or threats. Number 7. Coup d'etat. You thought this was French? Wrong! Complicated writers say stuff in other languages for 2 reasons. 1. To sound many more smarter than you. 2. To create an inside joke like one-liner. 3. To express how much they want to go to France because their overly complicated books won't sell. 4. Making it harder to write a script and edit a video for anyone who wants to put in the accents.
4! Count them! 4 emeralds.
It means some decisive exercise of force in politics, especially the violent overthrow or alternation of a decisive government by a small group. Number 6. Brinkmanship. I guess this is how you judge a brinkman? But it actually means the art or practice of pursuing a dangerous policy to the limits of safety before stopping. Typically in politics. That sounds a lot like someone who's very keen in this book. Joseph Stalin, communism. Number 5. Pragmatist. Its definition is a person who is guided by practical considerations rather than by ideals. Now that makes sense in the wording in the actual book. It said someone was feeling rather pragmatist today. What even and why? Number 4. Vituperation. Wait, I don't even have any relations for this word. Like, I don't know what this could even be hinting at. But why take the hint when we could just take the full answer? Quote me on that. The word means bitter and abusive language. Like, for example, Ian used vituperation against Martin Walker for being so confusing for absolutely no reason. Number 3. Triumvirate. While I'm writing the script of this, I realized my accidental irony. You'll see with the definition. Speak of the devil! A group of 3 or notable people or things existing in relation to each other. Okay, I can see a trifid in there, but I have no idea what umvirate means. Number 2. Pooch. Putsch. Pooch putsch. It means a violent attempt to overthrow the government. That's a coup d'etat. This one-liner is amazing! Number 1. Ruhr. Ruhr. That's the noise the fake lions make. Ruhr. It's a river in western Germany, a right tributary of the Rhine. Ruhr River. It's a mining and industrial region occupied by the French in 1923 to 1924. Thanks, Google. Ruhr. Thanks for watching.